So as we take a breath, relax, and just be right where you are, not trying to make anything happen. And just listen. Not listen for words, not listen for anything in particular. Just imagining the heart. Opening. Imagine listening with the heart. Feel the subtle energy that comes to the heart. The quiet knowing that your heart your being is an intricate part of this universe. That your physical body your mind is but a camouflage for a deeper reality. A deeper reality of what you really are. You are forever connected with infinite intelligence. Has nothing to do with education or IQ or all of our human measures of intelligence. It's the language of the soul. The listening and the knowing. As we rest for a few moments in the silence. In the silence. And so we return to the world of sights and sounds, sensations, and we keep our connection, our awareness to that heart that knows. And so we end our meditation with gratitude. Gratitude for being a part of this universe that is intelligent beyond our human understanding, that is more loving than our human understanding, and is fully alive. And it is within you. It is all within you. So we say amen and amen.